So I just got a question about why most homeowners do these types of renovations. This specific renovation is for aging in place. So as you can see, we installed a bench and 3 grab bars, one on the front and back and one along the long wall. This is to allow easy access and function to the user. We also added a low entry curb. They decided to go with the minimal. We also included a grab bar near the toilet that also acts as a toilet paper holder, so it's a multi-use. Easy function up and down to give the user easy access to the toilet. Most people are doing this because they don't want to move into a care home or to a place where they have to expense for that care. So a lot of people are aging in place. What we specialize in is this type of renovation.